Hello YouTube, today I'm going to open a Vanguard Booster Volume 8 Blue Storm Armada. Going to start with the left side of the box. Okay, so first pack. I may do this video in 2 parts, but we'll see how it goes. No point. Triple rare Maelstrom first pack. Nice. Commons. Next pack. No points. Zeal, the grade 2. I don't think I'll be showing the commons due to the time shortage. Next pack. No points. The grade 3 Dimension Police guy. Oh, it's bad. Okay, no point. And the foil is a grade 2 Musketeer. Next pack. No point. This I think is a Tachikaze. I see a foil. No point. Double rare Aqua Force. Next pack. No point. Single rare, the right chain Tachikaze. Next pack. No point. And double rare from Tachikaze, a pretty sweet one. Next pack. No point. And a single rare, the Neo Nectar starter. Next pack. No point. And single rare, the grade 2 for the Neo Nectar right chain. Next pack. No point. Double rare, the Neo Nectar Musketeer. Next pack. No point. Single rare Zeal. No point. And double rare, the Perfect Guard for Aqua Force. Next pack. No point again. And single rare, the Dimension Police starter Vanguard. And the final pack for the left side of the box. No point. And single rare, the Dimension Police guy. Moving on to the right side. First pack. So for the left side of the box, we got many hits. So again, no point. And this Tachikaze. Oh, look, we got a silver point. Pretty nice. And starting Vanguard for Aqua Force. I see another foil Ooh, nice, the card that I need. Cecilia. No point. And the Dimension Police. 12k attacker. No point again. And the Dimension Police beater. Next pack. No point. And this Coiling Duckbill. No point. Compass Lion. No point. This I think is a Narukami. Next pack. No point. Triple rare. Sweet. The Narukami on. And there's only one Narukami foil and I got it. So pretty nice. Again, no point. Single rare, this Aqua Force booster. No point. Then the Storm Rider. No point. Tier Knight Lazarus. No point. Aqua Force guy again. No point. The starter for the Tachikaze Raijin. The final pack. No point. And great one for Tachikaze. So that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching.